Hey guys, it's Lisa. Has your Florida Medicaid application been denied? Don't panic. A denial doesn't always mean you're permanently ineligible. In many cases, the issue can be fixed. The first step is to carefully read your denial notice. The letter should explain why your application was denied. Common reasons include missing documents, income that appears too high, failure to complete an interview, or problems verifying identity, residency, or citizenship. Next, gather any documents that may help support your case. This could include pay stubs, bank statements, proof of residency, medical records, or identity documents. If the denial was caused by missing information, you may be able to submit the requested documents and have your case reviewed again. If you believe the decision was incorrect, you have the right to request a Medicaid Fair Hearing. This allows you to appeal the decision and present evidence showing why you qualify. Be sure to follow the instructions in your denial notice and pay attention to any deadlines. You should also log into your MyACCESS account to review your case status, upload documents, and check for notices from the Florida Department of Children and Families. For individuals who need medical coverage immediately, it may be worth exploring other options while the appeal is pending, including marketplace coverage, employer-sponsored insurance, or other assistance programs. The most important thing is to act quickly. Many Medicaid denials are successfully resolved when applicants provide additional information or correct an error. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Florida Medicaid tips, eligibility updates, and step-by-step guides. Visit Ask Medicaid Florida for additional resources designed to help Florida residents navigate the Medicaid system with confidence. Please share this video if you found it to be helpful. Thank you for listening.